put it down even more. So yeah, so last time I introduced this idea I had, and I built this kind of mock-up inside of Tailwind. Oh, this is weird. I got to add a waiting list, a subscribe waiting list. So I'm going to do that today. That's what's up today. So here's the code. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is let's just fix these buttons here, make them all red, and then we'll go from there. So let's see here. Now, just a reminder, this is all in Tailwind CSS. You can go to tailwindcss.com. Actually, my buddy Adam Wathen just rebuilt on his YouTube channel the sign up for my web app transistor.fm. He rebuilt this sign up page inside of Tailwind with Vue. I think he's just youtube.com/Adam Wathen. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I don't know if the video's up yet. Let's see. Yeah, rebuilding Transistor FM with Tailwind. So you can check that out. Oh, he did 2. And he's the one that created Tailwind. So, hold on. I'm getting a Telegram message from Jack McDade right now. Jack is rebuilding my website. Check this out. Oh, wait. It's not live. But I'll show you the Easter egg he built me. He probably doesn't want me showing this live. Oh, it's not quite working anymore. I think he just changed something, but yeah, I got a whole redesign of justinjackson.ca coming. Gonna relaunch the site using Statamic, which we've done here live before, statamic.com. Also, just want to, before I get too far here, there are some folks that make this whole thing possible, and one of them is Conversio. That's my buddy Addy Pinar. Conversio, if you're doing anything in e-com, if you're building Shopify stores, if you're building WooCommerce stores, this is the add-on that you need. All of your transactional receipts, and email marketing, that's what they do now. And so Conversio.com, at the very least, you can tweet to Addy. That's, I think he's just Addy, Adii on Twitter. Let's see if we can find him here. Addy. Oh, look, there we are. Yeah, just tweet him and thank him for sponsoring the stream, because he sponsored me on Patreon, and it really helped. Oh, no. I just realized I'm on Wi-Fi. Dang it. I'm plugged into Ethernet here, but if I don't disable Wi-Fi, it doesn't work. Sorry, I hope that doesn't degrade the signal too much. Anyway, let's go through here. So, how come I can't find sign up? All right. So, we want this to be red. Let's actually just grab this whole class. Now, as has been mentioned in previous casts, man, these classes are long, but there's an advanced way of doing that in Tailwind that I don't know about. And so, yeah, you you're going to have to ask Adam about that. But I'm just basically copying these classes over for these buttons. Just saved it, and now we've got red buttons. One thing I've noticed is that it looks a lot better when we've got 2 lines here. I got to figure that out because probably later, but the spacing here looks a lot nicer when there's 2 lines. Let's add a mailing list sign up here. Now, I use ConvertKit, and there's kind of 2 ways we can do this. Let me show you my files here. So, where is that? Oh, that's weird. Oh, I see. This message here is oh, dang it. This is this is a confirmation because I've already tested my mailing list sign up. That's no good. I might want to add, here, I'll show you folks this here. Let's keep this open. And I'm going to show you this form here. So I could not get this form to work with ConvertKit. Took me a couple calls with Adam Wathen, and basically we had to rebuild this. So you can see all of Adam's comments here. I should probably delete these before they incriminate us. But I could just copy this whole form into this piece right here. Yeah, sorry, Bill. I realized I didn't have my editor up there for a second. So maybe I will just copy this over. Where can I add this? So right now I've got this in a little W56. Let's copy all of this. Does this work, by the way, if I just do this? Delete that. See how this looks. All right. It's not totally beautiful. That might be the wrong way to see if this works. All right. So now we just want to center this. Let me see why is this not? I think we got to add MX Auto maybe. Oh no, there's MX Auto. Why is this not centered? Maybe we got to add it here. There we go. That looks right, right? Okay, so let's go back up and we'll add. So MX Auto, if I understand it or I remember it correctly, margin on the horizontal plane, automatically add margin on either side. Right? I don't. What's going on on YouTube? There's some sort of pop-up that was playing Trance Rave for Gorilla. All right, so let's go back here. How come whenever I'm not feeling super hot, like today I didn't have a good sleep last night, is when tons of people show up in the live stream. Got an extra shot in the cappuccino today. Big fan of oat milk in cappuccinos. This is Tailwind CSS. Go to tailwindcss.com. It's a utility-first CSS framework for rapidly building custom user interfaces. What I like about it is Adam has incredible documentation that gives you really good examples and, to be honest, kind of good default styles. So, like, let me show you component examples. Here's alerts, here's buttons, here's cards, here's forms, here's grids. It's all built in. So, oh boy, here's Adam. Adam, last time we chatted, I was not doing so hot. I was tired, and today I'm tired too. I'm stuck in a bad cycle, man. But seriously, Adam has been a huge help to me. I'm, as the name of this show indicates, I'm just an idiot that can't code, and Adam's documentation and him being willing to jump on a call with me and help me figure out shit has been really helpful. Hey, thanks so much, Kurt. Glad you liked that one. That was an old one, a oldie but a goodie from Laracon. If you folks haven't watched that one yet, got to go check it out. Let's see, where is it? It's you could find it. What did I call that one? Might be too far back, but oh yeah, this one right here. Find a market you want to serve. It's on my YouTube channel if you go back far enough. I don't think I can put it in the chat, but find a market you want to serve on my YouTube channel. All right. So Joseph Dearman wants to know, Adam, what is this? I'm not an intermediary, Joseph. He wants to know if you've ever tried making, I don't know, including Tailwind in an Electron app? I think that's what he's saying. Anyway, let's go back to what I'm doing. Okay, so this piece here I don't love, but I'm going to keep that on there for now. So Adam thinks that other people, he's seen other people do it. I can't see why you wouldn't be able to use it. Isn't Electron just packaging up all that stuff into an executable? No, Adam's not in the room. We're both in Canada, but Canada's a big country. I'm West Coast, Adam's East Coast, but we still like each other. Yeah, there's no reason it couldn't work. All right, so let's keep going here. I got a meeting at 11, so I don't want to go around too long. Okay, here's something I would like to do. I realize I probably can't do this yet with my knowledge, but I think what I would like to do is have people click this button and have it flip around to the subscription form. So if I could mock this up, actually, let me mock it up with that thing this right here. Hold on. Let's just grab this. And let me find. And then let's grab. I'm going to just delete all this for now. Is this right? How do you guys know? Okay, here we go. Let's just try putting this in here and see what happens. So, yeah, what I'd like it to do, I think, is have these little boxes flip around, and then have it show the subscription form when the card flips around. I'm gonna have to get Adam to show me how to do that, but I think that'd be cool. So if you're doing an email-based campaign, like, okay, once 500 people sign up for this, I'm going to release this free tool. It'd be cool if they click sign up, the card flips around, and then they put in their email address. Once they click subscribe, it flips back around, and then the goal updates. Yeah, I'm getting fancy, Bill Clark. That is way beyond my pay grade. And maybe there's an easier way for me to start with that, but I'm starting by just like, showing you what it looks like. I wonder if CodePen, let's call it like, I wonder if there's like card flip or something. Card flip. Again, this is way beyond what I'm able to do. Oh, see, there's a bootstrap one. That doesn't help us. But let's look at these anyway. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, my computer is slowing down like crazy. What is going on here? Oh, yeah. See, this is kind of what I want. So this is in Bootstrap. But I want people to click on the button and then have it flip. How do these work? Yeah. Doesn't need to be super fancy, but oh yeah, more like this. How did they achieve this? What's this one? Oh, they got a little bit of JavaScript. Doesn't look like much. How does it work? Toggle class flipped. Feels like I could do this, because this one is exactly what I'm doing. Do you folks think I can do it? Should I try? In 30 minutes? Do I have time? What else? Let's look at the CSS here. This is just container, first child, card. Oh, see, I'd need to add some transition effects. And then I can rotate it with CSS. I'm going to try it. Like the saying goes, just do it. All right, I'm gonna see if I can do this. So let's start. I don't. Like I said, I'm an idiot. I don't know how to start something like this. Where do you normally put? How come it doesn't show where the? How do the what? Okay, I'm gonna export this. Just export as zip. Just want to see what does this actually look like. Okay, so they just add their JavaScript there. Okay. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to copy this over to my project. Firestarter. Okay, so we'll have a JavaScript folder. We should probably have a CSS folder too, hey? Just because I've got it right there, but I'll have that there. I'm going to move this there. Okay, got to update some things now. So this will be in CSS. Let's just make sure that's still working. Looks like it's correct. Okay. So CSS, and then how do I link JavaScript stuff? See, this is how dumb I am. I don't even know. I don't even know that. So you link. Where did he link to that JavaScript thing? Text JavaScript modernizer. Oh, here it is, right here. What a weird. This HTML is kind of ugly. Okay, so I'm gonna link to that as well. Let's see how that goes. Just make sure this is still all looking fine. Okay, now comes the hard part. I gotta figure out what the heck is going on here. So here's the front and back. He has a class for front and back. Is the music too loud? Or maybe Black Belt Ninja, you just joined. I'm just gonna turn the music off because that's bugging everybody. All right, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go front and back. Use the front and back classes. My guess, Bill, is that Black Belt Ninja just joined and saw some old video. I think that's what's going on. Okay, so okay, let's open up that style sheet. Just want to look at this. Wait, yeah. Just gonna open this one up. Okay. Let's delete the stuff we know we don't need. Don't need this. Okay, so we need this animation shit. Hoping I don't need this wrapper part. Let's actually look at that JavaScript too. See what's going on in here. Oh yeah, so just toggles flipped. Okay. So set the depth of the elements. See, this is the part that's tricky. So I've got to figure out how to add this into Tailwind. I think I just need obviously don't need all of it. I think I just need like the animated stuff. And then this, what is this? Whoa. What was this? Oh. Okay. Set the transition effects. Okay, so let's start by creating, copying some of this stuff over. See if it works. So let's open up my style sheet. Where's mine? What the? There we go. Okay, we'll keep this open. Okay, so we've got this. All this CSS here is for the these indicators. So we're going to add some more. Maybe I'll do it at the top here. So card, I'm going to remove this for now and see if we can just get away with these transition effects. And then we're going to need card flipped. I realize this is probably a terrible way to do this, but I'm just trying to I'm just trying to figure stuff out. So I'm guessing I'm going to need this stuff. Curly brace. I might not have enough time in the 15, 20 minutes I have left here. So I don't think I need this. I think I will need this. Yeah. You think, Rob, just see what happens with these? Oh, hey, good to see you, Rob. I don't think I've noticed you here before. Nice to have you. I like Rob. He's got a really good blog. What's it at? Rob Sobers. How do we get to Rob? Is it Rob Sobers? Oh, $9 marketing stack. Yeah. Yeah, this is super good. If you're a developer trying to figure out marketing, this piece is a little bit old, especially since now, oh, but he's updated it. So, well, 2016. Segment is gotten a lot more expensive, but still a really good post. robsobers.com. All right, so let's give this a go. And so I'm going to need, I basically just need the card and then front, back. Okay, so let's go back to my code here. Where is it? Firestarter. Okay, so which part are we going to flip? I need to look at it again. We're just flipping. We're just going to flip rounded, so whatever has the shadow. This one. And actually, let me move this over here so I can actually see what I'm looking at. So I think I call this one card. And then I'm going to need to give this a new class. Oh boy. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Div class front. And then I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I know there's the autocomplete, but how do I figure that out when I'm doing all this? Just make sure that worked. Actually, I might have to do this differently, but let's try this anyway. So that's the front. And then I'm going to add back. So for back, I'm actually just going to copy this thing that I did here. Let's minimize this. Copy this. Okay, so let's put it right here. Let's call this back. Let's see. Should we see if this works right now? Oh, except I need a way of on click. How did we do that? Let's go back here. Card flip. Let's remove these other ones. Okay, so how did they... Oh, see, I don't want card to be clickable. Doesn't look like it is anyway. Something's not defined. Why is this not working? Front card. Oh, I need jQuery for this? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. Shit, I didn't realize this was a jQuery thing. Isn't jQuery old? No one uses it anymore? People hate it? Yeah, let's try it out now. Okay. But how come this isn't working still? Something's still not right. And obviously I need to hide that stuff. Okay, well now... Okay, so now we're not getting the error, which is good. Now we got to figure out, I think... some... Oh, you know what? Let's look at his again. Card, front, back. So I've got front, I've got card, and I've got back. You think at the bottom of the page? Okay. Does that really make a difference? Put it before the closing body tag. Let's see. Oh, holy shit. What did I do? I can't believe that actually did something. Seriously, Bill, Rob, Kurt, I did not think that was going to do anything. That is so, like, I just thought this was not formatted right at all. I can't believe that actually did anything. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't understand the DOM yet. It's weird. I don't understand any of that, Bill. But shit, this is cool. Is this what programming feels like? You make things happen on screen and then you feel like you're a magician. Okay, since there's no document ready block around the jQuery quote, I assume, not totally sure. I don't understand. And when I click this, I'm getting a flip. So, crazy. I've got to get ready for my next meeting here, but when I come back next time, I'm going to figure out why this is not hidden. And how to hide it, basically. Got front, back. See, front should be hidden. I'm guessing I'm missing some stuff. That there's something in here I missed that we do need. Card flipped. Do I have that? Rotate 180 degrees. Let's go back up here. Card flipped. Back to card back. Yeah, I'm going to have to figure that out. But seriously, I cannot believe that worked. All right, folks. Thanks so much for showing up again here on the live stream. Thanks again to Conversio, Addy Pinar. Go and hit him up on Twitter or at Conversio to say thanks for sponsoring Justin's dumb programming ramblings. And if you're not following me on Twitch yet, do that. If you're not subscribed on YouTube yet, do that. If you saw this on Twitter, check that out. Oh, sorry, I never did answer this question here. This is, I'm using Visual Studio Code for the IDE. Hey, Chris. Sorry, man, you got here late. I'm just taking off for a meeting now. But this was really cool. Just again, let's go back to the desktop, and I'll show you what we accomplished today. We created I wanted to make this so that you click the button, it flips, and then you get the subscription form on the back end, right? Kind of like this. So we got it to flip, but now I need to figure out how to get it to flip and actually show the subscription form. So we'll do that next time. Hey, Scott, sorry, man, I'm just taking off now, but I'll see you folks. Thanks, Chris. Oh, it was just pushed to Twitter. Yeah, sometimes these live streams on Twitter get promoted, which is crazy how many folks see it there. Yeah, I'm going to need some help next time I go live to figure out how to make this actually do what I want it to do. But I can't believe that I even got it to do this. This is black magic to me. So, there's no sound now? I think there's sound. Everyone else has said there's sound. Anyway, you're freaking me out here. Oh, cool. Yeah, Ben. Actually, Ben, what I might do, I have a meeting, but I might send you what I've got here, and then you can look at what I've done and help me figure it out. So I want it to flip and then show the subscription form. All right. Thanks again, everybody. Talk to you soon.